In this video, I'll be showing you how to do this cool monochrome design using my collab plate with Maniology. For this look, we'll only be using one image from the plate, and that's the fun squiggly print image in the bottom right corner. As always, make sure to start with a base coat to protect your nails, especially when you use a dark nail color. Next, grab a white and black nail polish and paint your accent nail in half with each color. Don't worry too much about it being perfect, and if you need to clean up the shape around the cuticle, you can just use an angled brush dipped in nail polish remover. Now paint one half of the image on the plate white and the other black, just like we did on the nail. Scrape away the excess polish and pick it up on your stamper. Align the colors on the stamp so that they fall into the opposite colors on your nail, and then roll it on. If you get any of the stamped image on your skin, just let it dry and then you can remove it really easily with some scotch tape or a cleanup brush. On my other nails, I did a solid black nail with the white squiggles and a white nail with the black squiggles. I also did another half and half nail, but I put the black side closer to the full-on black nail and I put the white side closer to the full-on white nail. Of course, you can use any two colors that you'd like. I think this would look super cute in orange and black for Halloween. I cannot wait for Halloween tutorials. But use whatever colors you like. Between stamping, make sure you clean off your plate with some nail polish remover and a cotton ball. Allow your design to fully dry and then float on a layer of top coat to prevent smearing. And that's it! I love the simplicity of this design, but it's also really fun and the monochrome gives it a fresh feeling. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by leaving me a thumbs up or you can comment down below. And if you enjoyed this look, make sure you check out my last video using the stamping plate, and to watch it, just click on your screen here.